Kuringana na wira uria urutitwo mbere ya mucirithania Stella Mutuku ni aira 8 igoti-ini wonanitie OCS wa tene wa Ruaraka Nahashon Mutua niwe woragire mubungwo Martin Kooome njera-ini ya borithi ya Ruaraka miaka 5 mihituku.
The accused person was the OCS at Ruaraka police station at the time this offense was committed. All the officers who took part in one way or another, in this case initially, were under his direction and command.
Uthuthuria uria wikitwo ni rubonge rwa borithi rwa uthuthuria wonanite Kooome uria wari no ukuru wa miaka 36 akunirwo na kindu gitubu kiongo mbere ya aikitio ndiramu-ini ya mai kwa ibinda ria ndagika 30 kuria akwiriire thibitari-ini nene ya Kenyatta akiamukira urigitani.
The deceased suffered injuries to the head, the neck, the face. The lower lip was cut through exposing teeth. The forearms signifying defensive injuries as described by the doctor. There were 8 broken ribs on the right side and there were 5 broken ribs on the left side.
Mutua uria thitangiirwo thitango ya njuragano kubuthira mabinya mutongoria na wabici iria ebokeirwo ni thirikari uru akoretwo akiregana na mabitia ma ibinda-ini riri riothe guku akiuga mutigeire bindi ya gikuu giake ari muriu.
Having found that the prosecution has proved all the ingredients of murder to the satisfaction of the requirements of the law, I hereby reject the defense of the accused, Nahashon Mutua, and proceed to find him guilty of murder as charged and enter conviction accordingly.
The justice system has actually proved that the law applies to all, irrespective of whether you're rich, whether you're poor, irrespective of your rank, your status in society, or your power.
Riu Mutua ekuthi na mbere guikara borithi agieterera kugwetwo gwa Ciira tariki 20 mweri uyu turi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Masi wa ndia wa Muriithi.